Hi guy, here's how to fix the Elden Ring framerate unsuitable for online player error on PC. Method 1. Update your graphics driver. You should try is to update your graphics driver. It's the most basic fix for most game errors. There are two ways to keep your graphics card driver up to date. One is to manually update it via Device Manager. If Device Manager doesn't detect the latest available version for you, you may need to search on the manufacturer's website. Be sure to choose only the driver that is compatible with your Windows version. Method 2. Set graphics preference to high performance. Open Settings, then select Display. Under the Display section, click Graphics. Click Browse to specify the file location of Elden Ring. Choose eldenring.exe in the Game folder. Click Options. In the pop-up window, select High Performance and click OK to apply the settings. Once done, start Elden Ring and compare the GPU utilization with the gameplay. Method 3. Increased frame rate. Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Select Manage 3D Settings. Stay right panel, select Global Settings, scroll down and select Shader Cache Size, then set Unlimited. Method 4. Disable Steam Overlay and run Steam itself on high performance. Make sure to open up your Steam client. Go to the Steam menu. Click on Settings. You can find the in-game overlay option. Disable Steam Overlay. Once done, apply settings and restart your Steam client to apply changes. Next, repeat Method 1 to run Steam itself on high performance. Method 5. Disable Microsoft Device Association Root Enumerator. Open Device Manager. Double-click Software Devices, then right-click on Microsoft Device Association Root Enumerator, select Disable.